Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's another second part of a critical update of Bitcoin because we always want to bring a critical update whenever Bitcoin makes its own move to the upside. Now, basically, what is going on with Bitcoin now? We do see some green candles out there, which is good, which is what we want to see. But to me, the holy grail of this place is going to be 42,000, and you start to hold the 42,000 to actually maybe make its move to that particular price target that I've given you. Now, one thing is you broke out of a descending broadening wedge, of course. So logically, what you did is you broke out of it, you went back for the retest, and now look, you passed the retest, and you went back to where you formed that descending broadening wedge. Right on the money, exactly right on the money. Just simple chart pattern here, and that's what you could have traded. All right, so the technical target has already been met for that one. And if we do see on the 1 hour time frame, by the way, we broke out of a sideways market movements in here, and this is how they look like. I'm just gonna bring this for you from there to there, something like that, and then something like this one as well. Yep. So till yesterday we're moving up here, and then you made a fake out to the downside. This was a fake out, and then boom, you passed the retest to go to the upside. Now what you want to see is let it cool down a little bit down to the 39,605. Potentially taking an entry here wouldn't be that much risky at all, other than buying at the greens anyway. But who knows, you can continue to go to the upside. But to me, it's better it just comes down a little bit, cool off, because you've broken out of a particular resistance right there. But still, guys, let me tell you one more thing. On the daily, don't be so excited just yet, because we are still facing the resistances out there. For example, you're still facing this 55 resistance, right? So it's important for us to see some sort of a little bit, and that's why I say, if you do go to the 42,000, hold the 42,000, then you're really crossing the 55, the 10, and the 20 as well, potentially to start to make a bullish cross. And then from here, boom, you confirm something that will be way more better and way more satisfying for us to see. Because as long as you're at resistance, if you start to buy here, then that means you're buying at a resistance. And ask yourself always, who buys at a resistance point? No one buys at resistance points, because what you could do is you could continue to hit your head for some few days just like this, and then you fail to cross this 55 EMA, and the price compression happens, and then you start to dump to the downside. Something like this can happen, but for me, once again, I need confirmation of things. I need to see things holding. I need support being held. And so far, so good. We still have like a low here and a higher low right there, which is actually very, very good. It seems like we're just accumulating Bitcoin, and that's what you want to see for Bitcoin in order for Bitcoin to go to the upside. But then again, confirmation along the way is important. And we're about to close the new month is going to start tomorrow, so let's see how the new month starts in. And right now, what's the day today? Today's Monday, and you're almost making a morning star, nearly a morning star right there. A very good, positive sign of things to continue to the upside. That's really good. But the thing is that this candlestick that you see has 6 more days to close, so cannot say anything just yet. So I might even have to wait for 6 more days for confirmation. That's just how it is. So this is going to be a small critical update that I wanted to bring out for you. Remember, you're still even under the 55 here on the weekly. Look at that. And you're under the 55 on the daily as well. Big resistance that has to be broken out. Even here, you try to break it out, but you make a fake out. Look, you still went below it. So be careful. Buying here means that you're just buying at the resistance. You haven't broke the resistance just yet. We need to break the resistance really, really badly, at least on the weekly, and hold it on the weekly as well. So that's it for this quick update. I'm going to see you tomorrow with a lengthy one. Allah Hafiz.